Wow, this is, I have never seen this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Harriet Anabo, your girl from Arua. Yes. So guys, we're still in the village, but the reason why I'm putting on a jacket is because the weather is not so friendly. It's rainy these days. So I'm going to be showing you the process of how we make ropes, the ropes that we use for tying goats. You know, we value goats more than is it cows in our village? Yeah, we value goats more than, so we have a lot of goats. We rear a lot of goats. So I'm going to be showing you the process on how to get the ropes, but you get them from the Sisal, and we shall see the whole process. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and please share my videos. And I'm not alone here. I'm here with, you can say hello.
Hello. My name is Edrico Tom. I'm also one in this village.
Yes. So Tom is going to be taking us along and showing us each and everything. Yeah. So I'm going to be showing you the side, like how they get the ropes out of the Sisal, each and every process, guys. So stay tuned. Okay. So what he's doing here? What is he doing? He's removing off this top part, eh?
Yeah. He's removing this top.
Oh, okay.
So okay. The real one can be named for making it.
Oh.
So this one is a cover.
So guys, this is the cover right here. So what he's trying to do here, he's trying to remove off this. These are the residues, so we don't need this. All we need is this, the final product here. Can I touch? This one here.
Yeah.
So all we need is this, but we get it from this. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Can I try? It's doing it.
You can try if you want.
Yes, I want to.
I don't know whether it is not easy.
Really?
It will itch you.
Hey. It is itchy? Okay. Let's see how he does it.
You will start it to itch.
Hey.
Don't sit near. Don't sit there.
Oh.
What is
Wow, this is, I have never seen this. Guys, if you didn't know that in the village we have a lot of things that we can use to either construct our huts, get the ropes. This is how the process goes. So I'm here with Tom and the name? Echega. Yeah, so they're going to be showing us how we get the ropes and what we use to get the ropes that we use for tying the goats. So so I want to know the difference. What's the difference? Can you guys tell the difference between the spear, the spear grass and the Sisal? So this one is what?
Sisal.
This is the Sisal.
Yeah.
This is what we have here.
Yeah. This one.
So what we have here? Oh, this is the, does it feel like this when you dry it?
Yeah.
So you don't do it like this?
Yeah.
Eh? It has to be like this. Okay. Then you dry it and it feels like this. How long does it take?
It will take 3 to 4 days.
3 to 4 days. It dries. Then after you use it for construction.
Yeah. Like this. Then you take this one like this. So guys, we are going to show you how they tie it on the goat, how they tie the rope that is got out of Sisal. Guys, this is something new, and I want to take you along and show you how we live in the village, the simple life. You can even as well use anything in the garden here. So this is the goat right here. So let me show you guys. So the goat is here that they're going to use. So let's see how they do it. So this is how you do it. Yes.
And then you adjust it.
Yeah, you adjust like that.
Okay.
Oh, so this smaller part, the one that they start with when they're making the rope, is what you put on the stick.
Yeah, we put in the stick.
Okay.
Like this.
Oh.
Take them out, yeah.
Okay. So if you want to take it out for eating,
Yeah. You put it like this, and then you start to heat.
oh,
This one like this.
wow.
Yes.
Wow.